qualified buyers get 0% APR for 72 months. For the Labor Day sales event, get $2,500 total cash allowance on the 2016 Fiat 500X.
Check this out. With Xfinity Home, we get 24/7 professional monitoring and video monitoring we can watch on our own TV.
That's way better than our old security system.
Don't be old-fashioned. Xfinity customers add Xfinity Home for $29.95 a month for 12 months. Call 1-800-XFINITY or go online today.
We have to push ourselves harder. It's time to step up our game.
Fast and loud. All new season begins Labor Day Monday at 9 on Discovery on Motor Mondays.
This is horrible. I want to go back to Texas.
It is cold. 8 below.
That's what it says on the thing right here. So, Dennis and I need a big-time car to take to the Barrett-Jackson auction. And I heard about a car collector family up here in Minnesota. This looks like it right here. It supposedly has one of the rarest Mustangs there is. The legendary Boss 429. If it's really here, well, we got 200 G's with us. We're going home with that car. You Skip? Yep. All right, the guy in the office said we can just head back here. How you doing? You got a Boss 429 car?
Yep, sitting right in there. My name is Skip Nolan. This is my dad, Floyd. We buy junk cars, muscle cars, antique cars.
That's friggin' cool.
That is cool.
And sure enough, the Boss 9 story is real, and the car's there.
It's Raven Black. That is rare. It was on 83 May. This, my brother, will be a once-in-a-lifetime thing.
Now we just need to get it inside, check all the numbers, and make sure it's correct. Because if it is what it is, and we can get it bought, then, ooh, we're making money all day long.
Wow. Carcraft decal still on here, Richard. Pretty neat. Oh, look at that motor, dude. That is what I'm talking about right there. It looks correct to me. The thing about these cars is they're almost impossible to fake. Because all the shock tires are different, car oil's different.
Oh, it has to be. It's pretty motor in there.
After looking at it, it's not rough. I mean, the car was clean up. This one looks good. And great.
What would you want for it? I guess 175.
That's a little strong for a car sitting here like this, but
I told Rich on the lab it's going to be at least $100,000.
when I borrowed $100,000, so often.
No, we're too far apart.